Hello guys, how to fix bad image error 0xc000012f in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of message appear on your screen. See Windows System 32 is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. Try installing program again. And to fix such type of issue on your Windows system, the first workaround is type cmd in Windows search box and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. First, scan your system with DISM tool and SFC scan now tool. Execute all these three: DISM tool, DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And thereafter, execute SFC/scan now and press enter for any corrupted file system in your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is again launch run command box by pressing Windows key plus R conjointly, and in run command box type appwiz.cpl to open program and features window in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here look for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file. This may be a cause of such error. So first we will repair it. Click on change and first choose repair Microsoft Visual C++, and after repairing, if problem is still, then uninstall Microsoft Visual C++ and reinstall from authorized website. The next workaround to fix this issue is again launch run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type misconfig. Clean boot your system. System configuration window will open. Here go to services from the top menu bar and make the check against box hide all Microsoft services. Thereafter choose disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager, and all the startup apps enabled in your system manually disabled. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process one by one for all the startup apps enabled in your system. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. Restart your system, and if not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is press Windows key plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings, and from the left side go to Windows Update. Here go to Update History and uninstall Windows latest update installed in your system. Simply uninstall updates and click on uninstall to uninstall Windows latest system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.